it looks new na siya. Ayan. Pwede rin siyang ma-fold pag wala pang ulan, wala pang init. So, yan. It's very useful into our house. Especially yung naambihan ng ulan. So, ayan. So, it's great. So, ayan guys, nabili ko pala ito sa mga naglalako dito sa amin banda. So, mura lang po yan siya. 1,500 lang po yan siya. So, ayan. So, ayan. I use this paint. So, hi everyone. The day of my life. As I got nothing to do today. So I did remove all these blinds, and I've been clean it. I put paint in there to make it shine and to make the material stay longer, and also to protect from the insects. This blend is made by the grass. I don't know how to call that grass. It's made by the small bamboo. So, it looks like that now. And so, it looks new after I clean it and put paint in there. So, yan. So, these blinds also, I put paint in there also. And this blends is to protect the sun, the heat of the sun, and also to protect the sun, the rain splashing in the window or at our balcony. So ayan guys, so it looks new na siya kasi napintahan nga siya. So guys, now as you can see, we hung it back to the place where we got it, and then after painting, so, ayan, nakita niyo po siya, gilid. Yan po, siya nakalagay dyan. Yun. Yan, pwede din siyang i-fold. Kung nandyan na yung rain, ayan, pwede na rin siyang maibaba. So, yun. So, looks great. And thank you for watching.